Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 and how to increase Windows speed. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, you can see here under Task Manager, RAM size, cache size, you can see here 3.6 GB is displayed. So how to decrease it and how to clean it? So guys, first method is click here start button and after that click here run, and after that guys type here prefetch, okay, and then click here OK button and select these all file and right click on it and delete. These are temporary files. Skip if not delete. Close this window. After that guys, right click this recycle bin and click here this option and click delete all files. Open any browser and type here RAMMap. Download and then click enter from keyboard and click here this first link and download this file. Download RAMMap. Click here. You can see here this download under download folder. Open download folder and right click on it and click here extract all option. Click here. After that guys, click here RAMMap and click this second exe. Right click on it and click here run as administrator and launch task manager. Launch task manager. Okay, so click here performance. You can see here cache size is 4.0 GB. Now click here empty tab and then click here empty standby list. Okay, this option. So guys, you can see here cache size get clean and decrease. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.